My darkest hours, girl, I felt so alone inside of this crowded room. Different curls on the floor, distracting my thoughts of you.